When you hear the name Corvette Grand Sport, you think of raw power, track-bred agility, and a design that turns heads from miles away. The 2026 Corvette Grand Sport takes that heritage and launches it into the future, blending iconic styling cues with next-generation performance engineering. This is not just another Corvette. This is a statement, a masterpiece built for those who crave speed, precision, and style. A bold and aerodynamic design. The 2026 Grand Sport keeps the Corvette's muscular stance but sharpens every edge for maximum aerodynamics. The wide front fascia, aggressive splitter, and functional air vents not only look menacing but also channel airflow for stability at high speeds. Its sculpted body lines are inspired by the original Grand Sport racers, but with modern carbon fiber panels and lightweight alloys for an optimal power-to-weight ratio. Performance that commands respect. Under the hood, the 2026 Grand Sport roars with a 6.2L naturally aspirated V8, tuned to deliver over 540 horsepower and lightning-fast throttle response. Pair that with an advanced dual-clutch 8-speed transmission and an electronically controlled limited-slip differential, and you have a sports car that launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Magnetic Ride Control 5.0 ensures the suspension adapts instantly, giving you sharp cornering on the track and comfort on the streets. Track-ready features. The Grand Sport comes standard with Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, and an advanced cooling system to keep performance consistent lap after lap. A lightweight titanium exhaust not only improves flow but also delivers an aggressive soundtrack that's pure adrenaline for any car enthusiast. Interior, a driver's paradise. Inside, the 2026 Grand Sport offers a cockpit that blends luxury and purpose. You get premium leather and Alcantara, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and fully digital performance displays that adapt to your driving mode. The seats are bolstered for high G turns, yet comfortable enough for long-distance cruises. Advanced connectivity keeps you in control, with performance telemetry and real-time track data at your fingertips. A legacy reinvented. From its 1960s racing roots to today's high-tech supercar engineering, the Corvette Grand Sport has always been about one thing: delivering pure, unfiltered driving excitement. The 2026 model carries that torch proudly, bringing back the spirit of the track in a package ready for the road. Final thoughts. The 2026 Corvette Grand Sport is not just another high-performance car. It's a modern icon that blends timeless Corvette DNA with the